the drag. Tighten your drag. Oh, she got catfish.
Oh, we got catfish.
Dang, he hit that thing hard, didn't he?
Come on, bring it. Look at that sucker. Oh, we got him in the tail, too.
All right, the double whammy. He wrapped up with it like an alligator.
Yeah, he was doing the spin spiral. He was doing the spiral.
Ooh, perfect hooked on that circle hook, too.
Did you get my picture?
Yeah. Move, Evie. Evie, Evan, move. It's her fish. God, he gets excited about other people's fish.
Here, Evan.
Yeah, he'll take the final picture.
Oh, you want me to reel it in? Show it like you're reeling it in?
We all caught a fish today.
Ooh, he's got a strong ass bite too, boy. Bad ain't got a strong bite, dude. Oh my god. Ah! That's gonna be a big one, dude. He's got like a 15-pound bite, dude.
I'm not taking a picture with him.
You gotta press that little round button.
Huh?